Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to remove lock screen password, pin or pattern on any Redmi phone. So currently my Redmi phone is locked with a pattern. Yours can actually be a password, pin, whichever is the case. To remove the lock screen password, pin or pattern, you just want to go ahead and open up your Redmi phone. Head over to the settings of your Redmi phone and then you just want to scroll all the way down until you get to the fingerprint, face data and screen lock option. Go ahead and select that, and then at the top you're going to see that lock screen is actually turned on. You just want to go ahead and select that as well. Proceed to enter your lock screen password, pin or pattern. In my case it is a pattern, so I'll enter mine. And finally at this point you want to select on the turn off screen lock, just like so. Click on OK at the bottom, and now once screen lock is turned off, you should now be able to lock your Redmi 15 phone and then open it up without necessarily entering your password, pin or pattern. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys.